This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is a Master Lock dialSpeed digital combination lock. Now this lock is not my normal fare. There's no keyhole and it can't be picked in the traditional way. But so many of you requested that I take a look at this, that I picked a few of them up to see if there were any obvious flaws. And I think there is one. After taking one of these apart, I discovered that there is a way to disassemble the lock, open it, and then reassemble it without any external signs of tampering, though there will certainly be signs on the inside. If we take a look at this one, which I already tore apart, we can see the problem. This circuit board, which controls the entire mechanism, is outside of the metal security barrier. Once we have that circuit board exposed, we should be able to bypass the mechanism with an external battery. So let's test out my theory. You can see this one is currently locked, so let's start taking this one apart. We start by prying this plastic bezel out. And that can be done without any signs of destruction. Then we can pry this piece out, and it's actually connected underneath with a little bit of rubber. You can see that stretching out there. So what I'm going to do is take the knife and cut that rubber. That's going to be the main sign that this has been tampered with. Once we cut that apart, we can see that the circuit board is exposed. What we're going to be going for are these two leads right here. If we look at the other side, you can see attached to them are the wires that go to the motor. Unfortunately, they are covered by this plastic barrier, so we're going to have to pierce through that. The way I decided to do that was to attach a battery to these probes that I usually use on a multimeter that have relatively sharp tips. So we should be able to get power to those two pads. Let's see if we can do that now. And just that quickly we got it open. But that's really only half of what we set out to do. We actually need to reassemble this and make it look like it was never opened. So it has relocked itself automatically. We can put this back into place. There we go. And snap this cover back on. And it looks like it still works perfectly. So I'm not sure this is a practical attack in the real world, but it's certainly a design vulnerability that could have easily been avoided. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.